Today, we're going to enter the cryptoverse, just like Benjamin Cohen. Basically, Bitcoin rejected by the peak logarithmic regression band. Most people don't know what that means, and I'm going to show you what that means. It's very, very dangerous. So as you can see, the regression bands, two of them, this is the peak, this is the fair value regression band. And normally when you reach the peak regression band, you actually spike into a new all-time high and then start going to a bear market. Well, as you can see, that happened in the past 2 times. But in one occasion, that didn't happen. One got rejected by the band and then suddenly entered a bear market. So in 2021, that actually might happen again. As you can see, it didn't quite reach the levels of 2017 and 2013. So as you can see, the candlesticks, as soon as it gets close to the band, it just blasts through it on 2 occasions. But like I said, the one occasion no one is talking about might actually happen again. So I would be really wary of buying the dip, as many YouTubers, pretty much any investor, they always say buy the dip, buy the dip. But this is not like an asset like stocks, like a company like Apple or something. Like, you know, they're going to come back up. So buying the dip is probably smart. This is Bitcoin. It's not backed by anything, and I would be really wary to buy this dip. Normally, in the past, it's normally a good idea because we see that it dips and then goes back up to a new all-time high. It dips, new all-time high. Well, in this scenario, it dipped and we don't know if it's actually going to come back up. So I wouldn't buy that at all. But at any signs of it returning back up, I think that would be an amazing sign for all Bitcoin owners, because that means that we're unlikely to return into a bear market. If we return back up, we'll most likely continue past the band and reach around, let's say it goes down like this, and then I'm getting scared, and then one day it changes my mind and then starts going back up, and the band would just continue on. So we would probably reach like 110k-ish, like that. So it's hard to draw because this isn't my chart, it's Benjamin Cohen's. If you want this chart, I'll have a link in the description. And if that happens, then that's a good sign. But if it keeps continuing down, down, down without much of a price recovery, I'm pretty sure it's repeating somewhat of the past cycle in 2011. So that's my warning. I actually sold all of my Bitcoin stocks, such as Riot and GBTC, because they roughly follow the path of Bitcoin. As you can see, in 2017 it peaked, and then finally in 2021 it peaked. But that's it for today. Hope you guys understand the risks, and hopefully I'm wrong, so then I can hit the 180,000 price target. And I'll upload that video next after this. Hope to see you there.